I'm Emily, and welcome to Emily's Paper Caper, where you'll find inspiration to scrap your stash. Please just punch that subscribe button and let's get scrapping. Today I'm sharing 3 layouts. Recently I was organizing my 12x12 papers and realized I had more white 12x12 than anything else. And I really wasn't in the mood for plain white backgrounds. So I decided to reach deep into the stash and find the watercolors. These are just grade school water paints left over from when my kids were little. And any kind you have on hand will work. They don't need to be anything special. We're not doing anything fancy here, and no special artistic skills will be needed to create these beautiful watercolor backgrounds. If the last time you played with watercolors was in the 3rd grade, you have the skills needed to do this. Just jump in and have fun filling in your background with 2 or 3 colors that complement your photos. Get in there and have some fun playing with the colors. For the second layout, I knew I wanted to use the circular letter stickers, so I decided to create a fun, energetic background with lots of circles. I really like this page. It reminds me of the fun time we had at a crop recently. This was the first time my daughter joined me. Now let's look at the 3rd layout. I always want the focus of my pages to be on the photos, so I went with simple borders at the top and bottom of the page. It may look like these layouts fell together quickly, and they really did, but keep watching to the end of this video and I'll share some bonus info about how I planned these layouts that really helped them fall together pretty quickly. So those are the 3 layouts. Now for the bonus tips. So how did I get those layouts to fall together so quickly? Just a little bit of advanced planning can make your scrapbooking go a lot more productively. So I always start with my photos, and I get out my mat stack. I decide 2 or 3 photos, maybe even more, that I want on a page, and then I pick out a mat for at least the primary focus photo. That's what I did on these 3 layouts. The primary photo that I wanted to get the most attention, I put on a complementary mat stack. Then I decided to do some sketches, and it really helped everything fall together. After I picked the photos, I picked the mat, I decided on some letter stickers that would kind of give the flavor that I wanted. Like on that first page, it was about baseball, so I used kind of varsity letter type style stickers, letter stickers, and then I just, sketched it out, kind of decided what I wanted my borders to be before I even sat down, and boom, I did those 3 layouts, in an hour, maybe, and it was a blast. So, hope you enjoyed today's and that you're inspired to try some watercolor. I'm going to do another video on white background, but next time we're going to use some templates and spray ink. So keep watching and looking for that next video. Thanks a lot. Subscribe, like, comment. I need to hear from you. I need to know what you want to see. All right, bye.